Hello everyone, my name is Captain Khalid Haji and this is my first officer, Hussein Mazidi. We're going now about to check our flight plan and papers for preparation of our flight to Bangkok tonight. And it will take about 6 hours, 48 minutes to Bangkok. And enjoy the show. On the 330-800, this tonight will fly 9 Kilo Alpha Papa Hotel. We have some build-up weather over eastern part of India, and you can have a look here. We have some isolated embedded CBs from below 10,000 to 42,000, and we're going to fly the north track eastward, flying over the Iranian airspace and then Pakistani towards to the India, all over. It will take about a long time over India, about 3 hours. So we cross this until the boundaries and then to Thailand. Now, after we check the technical, the weather, the en route, we're ready and we are good to go to the aircraft and do our flight.
Welcome again, welcome on board. I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Hussein Al-Mazidi. Inshallah, today we're going to fly on Airbus A330-800. As the captain said, flying time 6 hours 45 minutes, and we'll be cruising altitude 37,000 feet. And hope you guys enjoy the flight with us. Stop margin, we have 448 meters since I'm flying in case we reject the takeoff, both thrust lever to idle and then reverse max. Stop the aircraft, park and brake set. You will have control and communication. I'll prepare emergency evacuation. For return diversion, set for runway 15 right with all information. Special operation, we have RNAV 1 and RVSM later on.
Kuwait A330NEO, once you clear home traffic, taxi out shortly behind you, clear to Bush, runway 15 left.
Ground cockpit, start engines.
Clear for engines. Clear to start number 2.
Clear.
Avail, starting number 2.
Okay, full up, full down, neutral, full left, full right, neutral,
Radar.
full left, full right, neutral.
Kuwait A411, after departure, maintain runway heading runway 15 left, surface wind 170 degrees, 5 knots, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, runway 15 left, after borne to maintain runway heading, Kuwait A411.
Ready?
Ready?
Takeoff. Manflex 43 SRS, runway auto thrust blue.
Check, thrust set, 92.4. Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up. Runway track.
Runway track, check. Outer retraction.
Flaps 0.
Speed check, flap 0.
Kuwait A411, hello radar contact, report from level.
Requesting flight level 370.
Roger, kilometer level 350, standby for higher.
Climb 350, standby for higher, Kuwait A411.
So route 4076, hello sir, radar contact, continue kilometer level 300.
Climb 300, circus 4076.
Kuwait A411, turn on.
Go ahead, Kuwait A411.
Release Kuwait 125.3, bye-bye.
25-3, thank you, bye-bye.
Come on.
Okay, Mora 2400, our star radar vectors runway 15 right, approach minimum set to 333. In case of go around, Captain, climb straight ahead 5.8 India Kilo India Bravo, climbing left turn to 15 to 5000, heading 045, 53 tons for 8 hours 35 minutes. Now we are overweight. Okay, consider jettison, Captain. You don't want to jettison the fuel.
No.
Use configuration full for landing unless specified by approach. For landing, Captain, increase flare height. Use maximum reverse as soon as possible. After nose wheel touchdown, apply brakes as necessary.
Start 5,000.
Apply soft start, ground altitude set 5,000. And you are clear to land.
Wish me luck.
Sharp.
2,500.
ACAM memo.
No blue.
Cabin.
Ready.
Landing checklist is complete.
Thank you. أول ما ننزل وريفرس بريك فان ها.
Okay. 220 degrees 5 knots.
500.
Check. Land.
Check.
100 above.
Checked.
Minimum.
Continue.
$50, $40, $30, $20. Retard. Retard.
Spoilers. Reverse green. And diesel. Okay, next is whiskey 2.
Brake front. Nice ولا مو nice landing? Smooth? Good morning everyone, welcome on board Kuwait Airways Airbus 330-800, and our flight from Kuwait to Bangkok will be cruising at 37,000 feet. Flying time will be approximately 6 hours 45 minutes. Wish you a pleasant flight. Welcome aboard.
V1.
Rotate. Pause climb.
Get up, please. Zero, please.
Switch check. Flap 0.
Descent 3000, clear down S15 right, report established.
Descent 3000, clear IS approach, 15 right, clear descent 4.
Little information about today's flight. We departed from Kuwait using runway 15 left, and we went all the way from Whiskey 1. Then we routed through the terminal 1 all the way, taking the runway 15 left for departure. Later on, we went with SID Cicero departure, crossing Arabian Gulf toward Iranian airspace via Cicero departure. This is our route via Shiraz, Kerman, Zahedan, and all the way crossing Pakistani airspace, and then to via Indian airspace, flying over Delhi, all the way to enter Varanasi airspace, which is the other side of India, and then we will change over to Calcutta, little bit of Bay of Bengal from the Bangladeshi side, then to Yangon, Myanmar, then finally to Bangkok. We are flying through area of cloud activity, and we have the latest weather radar is installed in the A330-NEO. This is our original route, the dotted line, and we are flying through the cloud to fly away for the passenger comfort and for the safety, and most probably we will continue for a longer route, and we might find our path through here to rejoin the route, or if not, we will take a longer route to rejoin our track to avoid this weather activity. Hello, my name Captain Naif Nwayef. I've been with Kuwait Airways since 1994. I started my aviation journey with the British Aerospace Flying College in Scotland. Then thereafter I started my initial type rating on Airbus A330. Thereafter I transferred to Airbus A340, fly for a couple of years. Then I moved to Gulfstream 5. Later on I transferred for my command upgrade on Airbus A320. Then I flew the Airbus A310 again, and now finally in the Airbus A330. Briefing for the approach for Bangkok. Will 3 Charlie arrival, chart 20-2 Bravo, checked. I will read whatever the chart, and you might cross-check here. Checked. Airport elevation 5 feet, RNAV 1, GNSS, DME. Checked. Radar required.
Kuwait 411, descend unrestricted to 9,000 feet.
Descend 9,000, Kuwait 411.
Unrestricted, checked.
Long Air 021, descend 7,000 feet.
Descend 7,000 feet, long Air 8021.
Depart 401, turn right heading 160, intercept localizer, runway 19 left.
But heading 160, intercept localizer 19 left on 401.
Kuwait 411, descend to 8,000 feet, unrestricted.
Descend 8,000 unrestricted, Kuwait 411.
Speed of star checked in.
Kuwait 411, speed 200 knots.
Speed 200 knots, Kuwait 411.
Runway 39er, speed 190 knots.
Check B100 knots, that's the 39er.
Long Air 021, Kuwait 411, descend 2,000 feet, turn right heading 100.
Descend 2,000, turn right heading 100, Kuwait 411.
Kuwait 411, turn right heading 160, clear for report runway 19 left, speed 180 knots. Kuwait 411, speed 160 knots or greater until final push point. Contact tower 118.2, good answer.
Speed 160 or greater till final approach point. Changing tower 118.2, Kuwait 411. Tower, hello, Kuwait 411 on the localizer, 19 left, 13 miles.
Kuwait 411 Tower, continue approach, runway 19 left.
Continue Kuwait 411. 021.
Turn right, sorry, Bravo.
Turn right on Bravo, 021.
021, contact Bravo 121, decimal 65.
121, decimal 65, 8021.
Gear is down.
Checked, flap 3. Up.
Kuwait 411, wind 190 degrees, 13 knots, 19 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 19 left, Kuwait 411.
190.
Runway is clear to land.
Minimum.
Continue.
Fifty, 40, 30, 20. Retard. Retard. 5.
4, 3, 2, 1. Touchdown. Spoiler. 2 reverse. Diesel. Checked. If you can take this one or the second, it's up to you.
Manual braking.
70. Checked.
Bravo 11. Bravo 10.
Then Bravo, Kuwait 411.
Bravo 10. Checked.
Ground, hello, Kuwait 411, turning right on Bravo.
Kuwait 411, Sonapum Cloud, taxi via Bravo, who shut off Charlie 7, Stand Delta 4. Kuwait 411, taxi via Charlie 6, Golf, who shut off Tango 8.
Charlie 6. Stop. Welcome to Bangkok. Thank you. It was a pleasure to have you with us along the flight all the way from Kuwait to Bangkok, and wish you a safe journey and enjoyable flight from Bangkok to Kuwait.
So we're here doing the walk around for the A330-800, the NEO aircraft. First of all, we check for any blockages and the static probes, looking for any damages on the fuselage. So we can see here the gears, the tire condition is fine. We take a look into the wheel bay, we can see that the lights are okay. Everything is fine. On the newer aircrafts, on the latest 2 aircrafts that we have, they're actually LED lights, and that really makes a huge difference at night. It's fantastic. You can see everything looks good, no damage to the radar dome. You can take a look how massive the engine is compared to the Dash 200. It's quite a big engine, and so we're just looking for any damages to the blades. Everything looks good. Just checking the brakes, checking the tires, everything looks good. There's plenty of brake life left. No hydraulic leaks. We have the nice NEO branding on the end of the wing. As you can see that the slats are still extended. Normally we do this when the temperature is above 30 degrees. They recommend that you leave the slats extended. So as you see, it's a nice view today. So here we have the refueling panel. You can see that the ground engineer has selected the amount of fuel required. And here it is, the pre-selected fuel, and this is the actual fuel. So it just has a few more 100 kilos to go before the fueling is complete. As you can tell, it's quite quiet. The APU is not running at the moment. It's hard to see if all the blades are okay if they're spinning this fast, but you get used to it. And everything looks good.
Right, that's great. We'll head back into the cockpit and complete the rest of the cockpit preparation. Thank you very much. So this is the Nav Blue performance system by Airbus. It's quite a handy tool for us. It saves us a lot of trouble calculating through paper. So it's very straightforward. We just check that it's the correct aircraft type, the correct registration and the correct departure airport. And it's very straightforward. So you select the runway. So today we're departing from runway 19 right. It will be a full length departure. And so we just set in all the data. So the wind is 210 degrees by 12 knots. Temperature is 32 degrees. And QNH is 1007. Runway condition today is dry. And the anti-ice is off. And our takeoff weight today is 202.2. On the Neo we have this CG, takeoff CG, so we just could check it, compare it with the load sheet, and as you can see today the CG is greater than 25%, so we select that one. We're heavy aircraft today. We have different climb thrust options. We have derated climb 1 and derated climb 2. Today, according to our weight, we'll be flying with a derated climb 1 and optimum configuration with the air conditioning on. And you just click compute. And there we have it. We have the speeds. And now we cross-check with each other. So.
Okay. So we have configuration 1. Flex is 60. V1 160, VR 163, V2 is 167. And engine out extra altitude is 1504. Green dot is 229. We have stub margin around 19 meter. We reduce a bit of the flex so we can get more of the stub margin. With derated 2, our climb gradient today will be 6.6 with both engines, and engine out maximum altitude will be 2268.
And that's checked.
Cross checked. Okay, hello everyone. It's Captain Faisal Sagir. This is my colleague, Senior First Officer Yusuf Sleiman. We'll be flying you to Kuwait today. Welcome on board Airbus A330NEO, which is one of the first aircraft NEOs delivered by Kuwait Airways a few years back. Actually, we have 4 of them in Kuwait Airways now, starting to deliver more of them, but it will be the bigger ones, which is Dash 900 in about 1 year from now. We are at Bangkok today at gate Delta 4. We're just waiting for few passengers to be boarded to start our pushback out of the gate. Today departure, as my colleague advised, is runway 19 right, so we'll be pushing back and we'll follow the instructions all the way to the departure runway. Flight time today will be around 6 hours and 40 minutes. Expecting some weather during the flight, almost half of the way to Kuwait due to the monsoon season. Okay, runway is clear.
Okay, approach is clear, runway is clear, line up and wait.
QA412, contact 119.25 when airborne, wind 220 degrees, 8 knots, runway 19 right, clear for takeoff.
Manflex 56 SRS runway auto thrust blue.
Checked. Thrust set.
V1.
Rotate. Positive climb.
Gears up.
Gear up.
Nav.
Checked.
Square 412, identify convoy seat to 6,000.
Climb via SID to 6,000, Kuwait A330NEO.
Okay, 6,000 blue.
Checked.
Kuwait A412, direct to Tanik and climb 8,000 feet.
Climb 8,000 feet, direct Tanik, Kuwait A330NEO.
So we reached flight level 320. Seems to be this is the final level that we can get from Myanmar until we clear this area. Cruise briefing, we have some weather spread around the area. We are monitoring the weather through the weather radar, and we're maintaining 0.77 for the turbulence. We have no DPs, no DD, en route weather also for alternate airports are good. No high grounds. Happy?
Understood. Nothing to add.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Which is 10-2 Alpha, Deputy 3 Charlie, Arnav Star at Kuwait. This is the waypoint, what we're gonna start our approach, or the star, which is exactly reflected on the FMGC. And also reflected on our ND. After Deputy, we will join the star towards the pedal. This is the second waypoint. Then to Gimbi, which is the last waypoint at the star. Then we'll join the final approach, which is the ILS today for our approach. 33 right. ILS Yankee, 33 right on 11-8.
Kuwait 412, localize established, runway 33 right.
Kuwait 412, Tower 183, مع السلامة.
183, مع السلامة, Kuwait 412.
North runway 33 right after landing with high speed loop 1, clear to land.
Land 33 right, via loop 1, expedite 0104. Kuwait Tower, good afternoon, Kuwait 412, localizer established, runway 33 right.
Kuwait 412, continue approach 33 right, number 2, number 1, about 2 miles final, KNH 1003.
Continue approach, runway 33 right, KNH 1003, Kuwait 412.
Speed alt lock, KNH 1003, continue approach.
Checked.
Glide slope star, go around altitude set, 5,000 feet.
And checked.
Glide slow.
Checked.
Gear down.
Gear down.
Kuwait 412, expect late landing clearance.
Roger, Kuwait 412.
Copy. Flaps full.
Speed checked. Flap full.
Landing checklist.
ECAM memo.
Landing no blue.
Cabin.
Ready.
Landing checklist complete.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Kuwait 412, surface 1060 degrees, turn off runway 33 right after landing loop 2, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 33 right after landing, vacate loop 2, Kuwait 412.
Minimum.
Continue.
$50, $40, $30, $20, retard, 10, 5,
Spoilers deployed. Reverse green. Manual braking.
Check.
Alright, the next left is loop 2.
Accumulator pressures check. Now we landed around on time, which is 12:02 Zulu, which is 3:02 local time at Kuwait, where the weather is a bit summer weather today. Heat is temperature is 47 degrees. Thank you for flying with us. We hope you enjoyed with us, and we enjoyed with flight with Mr. Yusuf.
Well, thank you very much for watching the video here today, and I hope you have a chance to fly with Kuwait Airways sometime in the future. Thank you very much.